In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Snapchat account. So if you want to delete your Snapchat account, maybe because you do not want to use it anymore or feel you've outgrown it, remember that deleting your account means losing all of your Snapchat memories. So you might want to export them first by requesting a copy of your Snapchat data. So to start, you need to go ahead and launch your Snapchat application on your mobile device first. Log into your specific account and then after tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner of your screen. Then select the gear icon in the top right to go to your settings. From here, you need to scroll down and select delete account option that is below account status. Go ahead and select it. This will directly take you to a web page and you need to log into your Snapchat account again to confirm your account. Then after select continue from the bottom, which is highlighted in yellow color. Now you have 30 days to reactivate your account or it will be permanently deleted. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.